Do you look at a product? Do you look at a need? Is it geography oriented or is it a need oriented beginning?
Well, if you look at innovation per se, what really drives the innovation ethos in our organization is the fact that I truly believe that today we are challenged with affordable innovation. And to me, India offers a very interesting ecosystem to do that. And you can't do it alone. I think I want to just pick up from what Henry just said. I think the seed of innovation can be born anywhere in the world. And I think what is going to emerge in the future are interesting partnering models. How do you do what is best done in each region to deliver that affordable innovation? I think things have to change from how they have innovated in the past. I think the Western world has innovated in a very vertically integrated way in the past in the West. That is not working anymore. Today, innovation is expensive. Innovation is not able to deliver affordable drugs to patients all over the world. They are therefore addressing a very small population restricted to Europe and US and Japan and some of these other markets. But they are not reaching patients in the rest of the world. Now, I think India has a very wonderful opportunity of addressing that need, okay? And we, for instance, as a company have looked at that opportunity. We have looked at innovation coming out of the US, coming out of Cuba, coming out of many parts of the world. And we're saying, how do we use the India capability base, the India innovation base to deliver these affordable drugs to the world? So for us, innovation is about global opportunities, but it is also about delivering those innovations to patients in India. That's a very important part of our objective.
Does it make you think, does it make you look and get torn into different directions to look at the global need versus the Indian need? Because that would be a question which would be coming to your mind.
There are many approaches. I think you cannot really segment it into only the India need or only the developing world need or only. When you look at some of these areas like cancer, like autoimmune diseases, like diabetes, these are global pandemic, disease areas which I think the world is challenged with. But when you look at it in the context of India, I think India is the world's diabetic capital. India's cancer population is growing at alarming levels. So it all becomes very, it's very sort of important to look at India as not just a malaria, TB, AIDS kind of market, but I think it's also important to know that you have patients who are crying for this drug at affordable prices in all these disease areas. So for us as a company, you cannot afford to do all. I mean, every company chooses its niche, chooses its own area of focus. We've decided to choose diabetes, oncology, and autoimmune disease as that focus. I think what is important about innovation is you have to map that innovation activity in terms of where you do what. And I think if you stop looking at it as just the India opportunity and you start building partnering models which allow you to deliver this affordable innovation, the drug will do just as well here as it will do in any market. That's the way we look at it.
Thank you. Mr. Une, then I think the biggest endorsement of India's